Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to make money online by shortening link. Yes, there are certain websites that allow you to shorten a big link into smaller one and you can make money from that, and I will talk about how you can do that and how you can make money from that. Also in this video I'm going to give a best 10 website that you can use to shorten the link and make money from it. So basically, before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and press the bell icon, so I will come up with a money making video every single day. If you really like my video, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. And following is gonna cost you zero. We are not selling courses, sharing free knowledge. If you really like our videos guys, support us and like our video. So basically what is it, you have a link. So normally if you want to promote something, you have to put that link in your YouTube video or in your social media, but these links are big and ugly. Also, if you are using affiliate link, it's a long affiliate link, some of the social media pages won't accept that. So what you can do, you can utilize the by go to the certain site and you can put this link, and your site will shorten the link and you can make money from it. Let me explain you guys. So you have a big link. So okay, for example this one, I click here and copy and go to the one of this website and place the link and click this one. Now it will shorten it because it's error because I don't have an account here. What you have to do is when you paste the link and shorten the link, it will shorten this big link into the very smaller one. Then you can promote this link in any pages like YouTube, social media, on your website and blog. Now when our viewers click that link, it will take you to the another page where for 5 to 10 seconds there is the advertisement played on. After that it will redirect into the target URL. So for example, you shorten this link and put it this website and you get the smaller link and promote it in your YouTube video. So when viewers click the link, it will open a web page but won't open this page for 5 to 10 seconds. There's a small advertisement played. After 5 to 10 seconds it will redirect to this final URLs. So a certain site is 5 seconds, some of them 10-15 seconds. For that 10 to 15 seconds you get paid because they are placing advertisement in your URL links, right? So you are bringing the views, so they're going to pay you per each click. Now back in days you get paid in pennies per click. Nowadays there's a different website paid different amount. I will talk about in everything in a minute guys. So the first website I'm talking about is called mini URLs. Okay, so there are certain URL you can't read, but this website is called mini URL. They pay up to $250 per 10,000 views guys. For 10,000 views they pay up to $250. So if you're running a YouTube channel, you get paid for $2 to $4 per 1,000 views. It depends on the channels. So for the 10,000 views you cannot get paid $20 to $40, but with this channel you're gonna get paid around $250 for 10,000 views. Obviously that payment is changed for every time, but in average they pay around $250, and they also pay 20% referral bonus. Which that means if you review your friends or your viewers, for their payout you get 20% from their payout for the life, not for the 1 month or 2 months, for life. And minimum payout is $5, and your payment method is PayPal, and you get paid twice a month. So there's no daily, it's twice a month. So the second website called Shrink and Earn. You can say here, this is the website. Basically the same idea. You get paid around $3.50 to $20 dollars per 1,000 views, and the minimum payout is $5, and the payout method is PayPal, and you get paid around 25% reward bonus, and payment is every single day. So you can earn money and withdraw the payout every single day. And the third website is called clk.sh. So you can say clk.sh. So you can say it in combined, or the short form is clk.sh. I put all the link in the description. Go and check it out guys. Again, they pay around $20 $8 per 1,000 views, plus the minimum around 350 and maximum around 220. That's what I'm saying, guys. There's no guarantee that you're gonna make $20, but you're gonna make between 350 to $220 per 1,000 views. Again, payout is $5 pay through PayPal and 25% reward bonus, guys. And they have another website called, fourth one is called uiz.io. Again, it's the same thing. You get the pay rate is change every single time and always tend to go higher, and the minimum payout is $1 through PayPal, and you're gonna get paid around 30% reward bonus for you guys. And there's a fifth one is called sharingme.io. Is when you sign up for this program, you're gonna get paid a $1 added into your dashboard, and the pay rate is between 1.50 pence to $22 or $20 per 1,000 views, and you get paid through PayPal and other payment methods, and the minimum payout is $4, and the reward program is 20%, and the pay term is daily, guys. You can withdraw payout daily. And then we have another sixth one is called ouo.io. Like I said, some of the website is hard to read because of the domain, but again, the pay rate is between 1.50 to $15 for 1,000 views, and the minimum payout is $5. The PayPal and other payment options are available, and there's no 0% fee involved. You don't have to pay anything, and 20% reward program, and the payout is first of the month to and 15th of the month. So twice a month is happen every single first day and the 15th day automatically, so you don't have to do anything. Then you have this one called seventh one, smona.com. It's pay rate between $3 to $7 per 1,000 views, and change every single time. So you get, sometimes you get paid higher, sometimes you get paid lower. The payout is $3 through PayPal, and they have a 10% reward program, which is less than other site. Again, payout is daily, so you can pay out anytime you want. You can see 40 million clicks, and total URL is around nearly 1 million, and registration is around 227,000. And we have another website called, eighth one is called shorte.st. This website is more trustable website in shortening link. Before, people used to Google URL shortener. Now Google shortener is not working anymore, but this one is most of the people are using here. Your earning potential is between $5 to $15 for 1,000 views. The payout is you need to have a $5 minimum payout, and through PayPal, and 20% reward bonus for lifelong. We have a ninth one called AdFly. I made a review in the past, or 1 year ago. You can go and check it out. Again, it's the same thing. Shorten the link, they play the advertisement, you get paid. And AdFly is more frequent in the past. You can earn up to $5 per 1,000 views. The minimum payout is again $5. The payout through PayPal and other payment options like a direct bank transfer and everything, and you have a 20% reward bonus from this website, guys. There's a final one is called Linkvertise.net. Linkvertise.net. I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. Again, pay rate is between $9.50 to and you can say you can make around $9.50 to 10 because 950 euros and $10. So in a way, you can make around $10 per 1,000 views, and you can get paid in through PayPal and direct deposit to your bank account, and 5% referral bonus, and the payment process between 24 to 48 hours, and 24 to 48 hours, guys. And again, this website is the reward bonus is very low. And any potential is also low, but other website like this one, I recommend guys go and check it out. You get a chance to get paid more than other site. But in a way, these are some of the example, but there's 100 of website that you can shorten the link and share the link, and you can get paid for that, guys. Thanks guys for watching my video. If you really like my video, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon, and see you next one. Thanks for watching.